The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now in this video, I'm going to talk to you about some videos that are circulating on social media. Alright? Now there are videos circulating on social media about an incident where it is said that a man chopped a female with a machete. It is said that the man and the woman had a confrontation, and it is said that the confrontation escalated to a point where the man wounded the female with a machete. It is said that the man is a vendor, and it is said that an off-duty police officer fired warning shots and intervened to stop what was going on. You see it? Now, according to a post that had been put out there on social media by the Jamaica Constabulary Force, it is said that the incident happened on the 31st of March, the year 2021, at a place that is known as Maypen, that is within the parish that is known as Clarendon, that is within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, according to some things that I read in a news article, it is said that the man had been arrested and charged by the police within the country of Jamaica, and it is said that the female had been taken to a hospital with more than one wounds to the upper body. Now, I'm going to put together and present to you two pieces of videos that shows a little bit of what happened before and a little bit of what happened after the man wounded the female with a machete. Alright? Now, before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Look, everybody attack him. You get a body knife and go stab him in the blood. What do you go with the girl?
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. Pieces of videos that are circulating on social media where it is said that the videos are about an incident where it is said that a man used a machete to injure a female, or it is said that a man wounded a female with a machete. Alright, you can let me know what you think about those pieces of videos. Alright, now I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show something that I call forced eviction. This video is going to show something that happened within a country that is known as Guyana. According to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that this video is about a female and her children who had been forcefully evicted off of a piece of land, and it is said that more than 2 persons destroyed the female's house. It is said that the female was squatting on the land, and it is said that persons destroyed the female's house. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can get a better understanding as to what this whole thing is about, and you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I fell for this and I fell for this. You can't get a break nowhere else. No way, you can't get a break. What more people like me supposed to do? Tell me what y'all like more people like me supposed to do.
Just imagine what they say. This young lady living there for 18 years.
18 years. Shout the old house there. Shout the old house there. They come. Shout the old house there. She get donation. Everybody gives she donation. Everybody gives she donation for God knock up something over there. Over there, right on the piece of the squatting, which is squatting for 18 years. Right? These fellas come from nowhere and come and break down the woman thing. No letter from no authority, nothing, and come and break down this woman. This young lady, this young lady, is she alone? She ain't got no man, and she has 8 children. They come and break it down. Festival City entrance, bust the bridge, squatting, right? And all of them out there. What them? All them out there. Watch them. You see them? What them? So are you asking the high authorities for step in and see if you can help this young lady? And because they come, these constable or one civil, nobody identify themselves who them is, and nobody said when they come for them, just come and start to break. And once you get more house down the dam, them are breaking there. You get more house down the dam, so them are breaking there. You get more house down the dam, them are breaking there. More say them are breaking there. More say why they come and interfere with this young lady alone? I want to know. Because she's a PPP? No man, I got to stop. Now because this woman is a PPP, you have to come and broke down show. Because when you watch it, it's bare AFC fucking workers there. So I don't know if they're vexed because the girls switch to PPP and they come for spite shit. I don't know at all. A young woman with 8 children, they come and broke down she place. You see? They come and broke down she place. With no letter, nothing. Now they're gone. You see them walk away now? They don't care because all of them is AFC supporters. And the girl is switched to PVP, the girls are PVP, and the model change, they come and broke down she little place where she trying to make a living. So I don't know. So I will ask the high authority for look into it and step into it.
Viewers and subscribers, I only hope that the female and her children are okay, you know? Like, I only hope, you see me? Alright, you can let me know what you think about that video, and I'm going to move on to another video. The next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a person who said some things that gave me the understanding that he complained about the service of a branch of the Jamaica National Bank that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica. You can also say that this video shows a person who complained about how he was treated when he was outside at a branch of the Jamaica National Bank that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica. Now, I'm only telling you how I understand some of the things that have been shown and said in this video, and you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video as well. All right, you can let me know if you agree or if you disagree with the things that this person said. All right, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
All right, so guys, I've been standing here in a line for over an hour. Been trying to get some assistance from this young lady right here. If you can see her in the background. And instead of answering, because I hear that she's the one making the decisions, instead of even looking out here, yeah, Jane, yeah, New Kingston, yeah, looking outside, she's standing here giggling and laughing. So I don't understand. They say that nobody can go in the bank. My thing is, yes.
Did you turn it to camera?
Yes, man. I'm doing a live about it. Yes, man.
No,
yes.
I don't think that she's invading my privacy.
Well, so now she's complaining that I'm invading her privacy when I asked to speak to her and she just giggle and laugh. So I don't understand. So we are here. We can't get the service online. So I decided to come to the bank, right? The security says he can't make a decision to let in people. Because I don't know if you can see the customer service empty. There's nobody in customer service, right? Nobody at all. Nowhere. All the benches empty. And they're letting me know that they can't let us in. The line was longer. Everybody quit and gone. I have an emergency. I can't leave. I have to wait. Right? Now what do? I'm pretty sure if I was light colored and I had maybe some straight hair or blue eyes, I would come to the door and I would gone in. I see security taking people from the back.
Hello?
I see security taking people from the side, everywhere, but customer service empty. Those in front of me went in and came out, and yet still we can't go in because there's no space in there. So if one man go in and come out, what happened to the space? The space disappear? More people going in. See, 2 people just walk up and they went in. I can understand that. One of them is a soldier and one of them is an elderly person. But yet there was no space to let us in. But yet still they're finding space to let in other people. So when the space did come, the man take 2 Chinamen and let him in. Fine, alright, so let in the 2 Chinamen from the next line. So we have to use the same place. Now I asked him, how is it that all customer service chair empty, but yet still we can't go in? Him said the lady called the shots. She should may ask her for a minute, she walk up and down. As the man come and send me use the ATM when me look customer service. Right? ATM is the charges on the fastest line. No, tell me now. And they say that Jane is for us, it's for the people. Building society, Jamaica, we own it. If we own this and me can't go in to go get a piece of document. If I can't go inside and they don't have it online, right? They say they're trying to get them online. If I can't go in there to get a piece of document, can you imagine if we never own it? Guys, it's full time we start treating each other with respect. You can't be laughing and giggling when somebody asks you to ask you a question to find out what's happening. You can't be there chatting and enjoying yourself on the job. Force you quit and go home. If you want to laugh and chat, go home. If you want to work, you work. Simple that. So, I mean, I will treat you with respect. Anybody who know me know that I treat people with respect. So treat me with the same respect. Now she upset. I don't know if she run gone. Run gone like she gone through a tantrum that I am showing her in my life. She could have come out here before. She had no time to come out here. When she saw that I was unalive, she came out immediately. How come? Where did she get the time? Where did she get the free time that she could have found before? I respect you. So I love if you respect me too. Alright guys, have a great day. AD.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm gonna big up on yourself. You see it. Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla.